point, a burst of holy light. God spoke the word, the cosmos caught fire tonight. Galaxies turning in equilibrium's grace, honeycomb spirals, quantum fire in space. From the first light we are born, in the first light we transform. That's awakened in the dance of the small, radiant states answering heaven's call. Heisenberg bends, coherence breaks through the night, correlated light, eternal and bright. Its wings over